Hello students. Students, in this lecture we will going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 2, polynomials. Okay. So polynomials you have studied in class 9th also. So we will discuss some another topics on polynomials what we have not studied in class 9. So just recall what is polynomial. Polynomial is constant into variable to the power whole number. Constant into variable to the power whole number. That means power of the variable will not be negative or and rational number. Got it? That means power of the variable will not be negative and rational number. That means x to the power minus 1, x to the power minus 3, or x to the power 3 by 2, x to the power 1 by 2. Basically 1 upon x to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon x. It is 1 upon x to the power 3. Here x to the power 1 by 2, that means root over x. Okay. Here x to the power 3 by 2, that means x to the power 3 or whole to the power square root. Okay. So x variable can be x, y, z, but power will not be negative and rational number. Clear? So now we will talk about degree. What is degree, students? Degree, that means in a polynomial highest power of the variable is called degree. Okay. Highest power of the variable is called degree. Got it? Highest power of the variable is called degree. Suppose I am writing 2x square plus 3x plus 9. So what is the degree of this polynomial? It is highest power of the variable is 2. So we will write degree is 2. Clear? Suppose 3x plus 4x to the power 7 plus 7x to the power 3. It's a polynomial. Now, what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree is highest power of the variable, that is 7. So, degree is equal to 7. Got it? Another thing we have studied, students, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. So, linear polynomial means a polynomial with degree 1. Got it? A polynomial with degree 1 is called linear polynomial. That is, suppose 4x plus 9. It's a linear polynomial. Why linear polynomial? Because degree, that means highest power of the variable. Here variable is x. Highest power is 1. That means linear polynomial is having the degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Similarly, here or this polynomial can be written as 4x only. It's also polynomial because it fulfills the definition of polynomial. What polynomial says? Constant into variable whole to the power whole number. Got it? Now, quadratic polynomial. quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means a polynomial with degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Degree 2, suppose 2x square plus 7x minus 3. 2x square plus 7x minus 3. Here degree, that means highest power of the variable, is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic polynomial. This polynomial can be 2x square plus 7x here, or we can write 2x square plus 3, got it, or 2x square only. So here this polynomial, this and this, these four are the type of quadratic polynomials. Got it? Now cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Here cubic polynomial means a polynomial with degree 3. Suppose I am writing 3x square, 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5 upon 2 x minus 7. It's a polynomial. Or we can write 3x cube only. It's also a cubic polynomial. Got it? Or we can write 3x cube minus 7. Or this can be, we are not writing this equal to this. This can be, but means cubic polynomial can be written in the form of this, in form of this, in form of 3x cube minus 7. Okay, or you can write 3x cube minus 4x square. You can write. In general, in general, we can write linear polynomial as ax px is equal to ax plus b, where a is not equal to 0. Quadratic polynomial as px is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0 here also, but b can be 0. B can be 0 here, b, but b and c can be 0. In cubic polynomial, px is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0, but b, c and d can be 0. Got it? So here we got a conclusion. Here we got a conclusion that, what is conclusion? What is the conclusion? Conclusion is, see, in linear polynomial a not equal to 0, in quadratic polynomial again a not equal to 0, here also a not equal to 0. That means, what is a? A is the coefficient. A is the coefficient. That means, by which term we will decide the degree of the polynomial, coefficient of that term will not be equal to 0. Got it? That means coefficient of the term by which we decide the degree of the polynomial will not be equal to 0, will not be equal to